Hello friends, welcome to the course Algorithm of IoT. This is the demo session of the course. In demo session, we will discuss about the application of Internet of Things and the importance of algorithm in IoT. Okay, so uh, let me introduce myself. My name is Utkarsh Tiwari, and my partner in this course will be Pranjal Sharma. We both are the tinkering coach since last 4 to 5 years, and hopefully you will enjoy the course with us. Okay, so we are starting the course with this statement: a matter or situation regarded as unwelcome or harmful and needing to be dealt with and overcome. So by I'm 90% sure that you are not coming up with a word, but in my class the people come up with a word like challenge and many other words. So the meaning of this particular line is problem. This is the Google definition of problem. Okay, so the the problem is that we are more focused on the definition part of anything, and we discuss the definition and we mug up with the definition. So in this course we will not going to discuss the definition of anything. We need to understand the concept of the particular word. We need to know the application of that particular word. So we were discussing about the application of problem. So here it is. So Pranjal has some plants in his office. Due to lockdown, he came to know office will be closed for at least 21 days. He was worried about the plants as well. What he can do for the plant. So the problem is clear. He has plants, and no one is there to give them water. Okay. So what he has done? He has fortunately, Pranjal knows the IoT. He prepared a project, automatic watering system. Excuse me for that. Automatic watering system. So in this system, he used a sensor to check the moisture of the soil, and if it is dry, he used a pump to provide water to the plant. So this is how he managed the automatic watering system. Similarly, you can also prepare a timer pump. You can also prepare mobile phone control system. So there are multiple projects that you could have prepared to solve a same problem. Okay, so each problem has multiple solution, but more or less we need to find the most efficient problem solver, the problem solving situation that we have. Okay, so from this small application to we are discussing the multiple application. So Internet of Thing is everywhere. Virtually it is everywhere. It is in your wearables like smartwatch, Fitbit band, and even your belt, in your clothes. Some of the clothes, smart clothes, are coming with the IoT facilities. It is there in your smartphone. It has number of sensors in your smartphone. Then it is there in the vehicles. MG Hector, you must have seen the advertisement of this, and you are also seeing the uh, you have must have heard about the smart cars, driverless cars. So these are the application of IoT. It is there in your home lighting. It is there in your home appliances like AC, fridge, even chimney, gases, everywhere. It is there in the musical industries. It is there in the personal computers, analytics. The data is the new gold. So IoT is a very key factor to track the data, to gather the data. It is there in the flight services, bus services, online shopping. It is covering all the areas. It has application in each and every area that uh, in whatever area you want to work, it has application. Okay, so that's why IoT is very fancy word nowadays. Now we are moving towards the future, the discussion of our telephone, how we are moving towards the future. So we have started from the telephone booth, then we have moved to the bigger size telephone, then we moved to the personal landline phones, then come satellite phones, then come smaller version of satellite phones, the small area phones, then come the keypad phone, then touch screen phone. Now it is a time of uh, smartphones. Okay, so smartphones, now we are moving toward the flip smartphone, touch screen phone that can flip, and we are moving towards the virtual phone. All the keypad will be on your hand and you can directly dial this particular number, or you can use the phone like just like that. Okay, what next? Now the next part may be the application of it. The smartphone application in various human can work as an IoT system of IoT, and we are a thing and just mere thinking of something. We are using our sensors like eyes, ears for the multiple IoT projects. So anything is possible. Anything is could be the next step of the IoT. Now we have discussed the application of IoT. You must have got a gist of IoT. Now we are moving towards the algorithm part. So for that part, we will discuss the problem of librarian. Okay. So there is a librarian who has another job, and he has hired an assistant. So his assistant is unfortunately couldn't read English in English, and the task of the assistant is to provide the book to the person who is coming to read in the library. He need to go to the shelf and pick up the correct book and give it hand over it to the person who want to read that particular book. Okay, all we have numbered each and every book. Okay, and the number is written just below side of the book, and if you pick the book, you will see the number in under the book. Okay. So we have arranged the book in ascending order also. Okay, and all the book are given a number. So this card we have, this bookshelf we have. Now you need to give a set of instructions to our assistant to get the right book in the minimum amount of time. Okay, this is the problem. Now the solutions are, so in general science general discussion, we have got two type of solution. One was the linear solution, that start to pick a book from the left side or either from the right side and check the number, eliminate it, then next book, next until you find the right book. Okay, so this is a linear book, linear arrangement of book, and this is a good math. This is also a 100% sure method that you will find the right book every time. This another solution, that is random book picking. Like you first pick the must dash book. Okay, so the book number of must dash must be higher than the not today, and all the subsequent books are also having the number higher than this, so we can eliminate all the right side book. So our bookshelf size will reduce to like FTW to not today. Okay, then we have picked a book the future randomly. Okay, so obviously the book number is smaller than the book number of not today, so we have eliminated that also. Now we have picked again the happy birthday book, and again we can eliminate on the all the left side book of the no happy birthday. Now we have only one book left, that is not today, and its number is the same number that the book is required. Okay, again, so we are talking about the set of instructions. So what we can tell to our assistant: hand over the list that you have to the user. Ask for the book number. The user will read out the name of the book and the corresponding book number. Pick a random book from the shelf. Check its number. If Cn is greater than Bn, means the checked number is greater than the desired book number, then and what, you can eliminate all the right side book. You need to just repeat the similar step in the left side of the book. Now you need to pick a random book on the left side of the earlier book, like we have picked the book just right side of the not today, and now we can eliminate all the book. The next stage is pick the if the picked book number is smaller than Bn, then you need to repeat the step on the right side of the picked book, and if the number is same, you will get the you need to take the book and give it to the person. Okay, so this set of instruction in 4 lines, you can provide the instruction to the assistant. So this thing is called an algorithm. So this is an algorithm set of finite set of instructions so that one can achieve the target and one can solve the problem. So this is an example of searching algorithm. Now we are moving towards the now we have understanding of the algorithm. Now we are discussing the part of the course. So the course will start with the computational thinking, where in this section we will learn to make algorithm for any problem. It can be a daily life problem, it can be a toothbrush problem or breakfast problem, it can be a cooking problem. So we will discuss about the how to build an algorithm, how to solve a problem in the step by step manner. Then we will move to the basics of electronics, where we will learn about the various components of electronic circuit, the resistor, the inductor, capacitors, sensors, and everything. Then we will move to the brain of the IoT system, just like our brain is controlling our body. So there is a brain in IoT system that controls the complete whole system. So we will discuss about the various type of brains that are available in the market, and how we can pick a particular right brain for the particular application. Then we will move to the programming part of it, how to program your brain, how to give instruction to the brain so that your IoT component can work properly. And at the last we will discuss about the various type of sensor, various type of system, just like a digital analog system, where we will learn about the various components, and we will make some algorithm of for digital, we will make some algorithm for analog system, we will make the algorithms for the combination of sensors. So we will discuss all type of possibilities that can be done in an IoT projects. So it will have 9 sessions. Every session is followed by an assignment and a quiz, and at the end of the session you will get the certificates. Okay, so the session will start from the 22nd April. The time will be 5:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So you will get the session on the Zoom link in the Google Classroom and also on the Let's Thinker application in the recorded form. Thank you for joining.